Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? Your buddy, your pal, Lennon Hawthorne here with yet another unboxing. This is a vitaminshoppe.com order from Ashland, Virginia, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my videos. I'm not sponsored by Vitamin Shoppe, but I'd love to be, or any of the products that will be in this unboxing, but I would love to be. I paid for these with my own money. I recommend checking them out. I like finding the best deals, and for the most part, I find that Vitamin Shoppe, for what you'll see, the best deal I could get them was from there. Wow. If you do want to help support my channel, please cash at me at London Hawthorne. Hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, or just Cash App, London Hawthorne. If you like cool t-shirts, go to riptapparel.com. That's riptapparel.com or onceuponatee.net. And find your shirts of choice. You'll save about $3 off each and every shirt if you use my username, London Hawthorne, when you make your purchase. So first up, so they had like a Cyber Monday deal, and I used their coupon code on Vitamin Shoppe and made a big purchase. So this is ISO100 hydrolyzed protein powder, 100% whey protein isolate, 76 servings, gluten-free, naturally and artificially flavored. This is Fruity Pebbles from Dymatize. Dymatize, if you want to sponsor me, please let me know. I am broke. So this has 110 calories per serving, no fat. No saturated fat, no trans fat, cholesterol is 10 milligrams, sodium 100 milligrams, 1 carb, no dietary fiber, less than a gram of sugar, and 25 grams of protein. Fruity Pebbles is my all-time favorite cereal, so I was drawn to this, and they sold me on it. So this has 76 servings. There's another brand called Bodytech. This kind of reminds me of like the oil, like Bodytech, Muscle Tech. I don't know, but there's like at Walmart you can get like their oil, their brand of oil is like, yeah. So anyway, this is fruity cereal, Bodytech whey protein isolate, fast absorbing and readily available, 25 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, no fat, and 23 servings in here. This is fruity cereal, so I would assume the closest thing they have to Fruity Pebbles. And then we have whey protein isolate, fast absorbing and readily available, 25 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 0 fat, and 23 servings. So these both have 110 calories, by the way. And this flavor is apple cinnamon sugar, or apple cinnamon cereal, which is like Apple Jacks. Not sponsored by Bodytech, but Bodytech, hook me up. I would love to be sponsored by you. And last, but certainly not least, is something I've been wanting for a long, long time, a healthy, quote-unquote, peanut butter cup. So this is Quest brand, which I'm not sponsored by, but I'd love to be, peanut butter cups, less than a gram of sugar per serving. So the serving size is 2 cups. Wow. So 190 calories in 2 cups. Total fat 15 grams, 9 grams of saturated fat, cholesterol 0, sodium 125 milligrams, total carbs 13 grams. Now 4 of those are dietary fiber and less than a gram of sugar. So 13 carbs minus 4 grams of sugar, fiber minus 8 grams of erythritol leaves us with 1 net carbs. So it's kind of like a dirty keto kind of thing, but I will be doing a taste test of all of these products. The Quest peanut butter cups, the Bodytech apple cinnamon cereal, the Bodytech fruity cereal, and the Dymatize brand ISO100 hydrolyzed Fruity Pebbles. So I've not tried any of these. I purchased these all with my own allowance, and yeah, I will be doing that. But you know, I'm just a normal guy who's in the process of a weight loss journey and a fitness oriented guy trying to make life changes, trying to keep going, rolling with the punches. 2020's punching a lot. Yeah, so if you have some healthy products you recommend, leave a comment below. If you own a company like Quest or Bodytech or Dymatize and you want to hook a brother up, slide up in my DMs. Thanks so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Even if you can't, cash at me at London Hawthorne, or go to riptoppearl.com or onceupon2.net and use my promo code London Hawthorne. Even if you can't, even just hitting the thumbs up button, subscribing, sharing my videos, that's free and it really does help. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you the best and get healthy. Be happy.